Check it out, built my own little screen printing press. It's my registration right here. Just clamp that on there. It's my platen. Made it so it's removable. It's the portable one, little desktop. Switch that out, just slide that on. Yeah. Here's my screen. Here's the registration, stops it, marker, puts it in the same spot every time. Alright, I'm going to use vinyl. Alright, this is my first time doing this. You're going to do it with me for the first time. Here's my vinyl stencil, and I hook that up to the mesh. And I put a crease down the middle to center it, and a line right here to line it up with. It shows where I want it. I just wanted around that line. Taped off. And I'm going to use an old shirt. This design, oh yeah, this one's way off. It's all the way over there, so but I'm going to do this one backwards. Do it on the back of it for practice. didn't get it completely, but that's why we're practicing. Try it again now. Alright, the 2 practice runs. I'm drying them off now. So I can put them aside. The second one came out good. The first one didn't come out that good, and I tried to repress it. But then the shirt shifted, so I'm gonna still try it and get it out of there. Second one was alright. Yeah, this is all practice. Alright, here's a better look of my first 2 practice runs. The first one up there didn't, I didn't press hard enough and get all of it. And then when I lifted it, the shirt lifted, so when I went to put it back down, it didn't go back to the same spot. And the second one, I did it right the first time, and that's how it looks. Came out pretty good. It's dry, and I'm gonna just keep practicing. Do one more on the bottom part, and just getting my practice on. All right.